This is how you can make $50 or even $100 an hour selling t-shirts. First, you need to get an order. Start posting up samples and pictures of previous work. Now here's the important part. Specify that you're running a sale or your bulk order pricing starts at 20 shirts or more. Try to stick with shirts that are under $4. Now adding 20 of these adds up to $75, which actually qualifies us for free shipping. Next up would depend whether your customer orders full color or single color shirts. What we're gonna do is we're gonna head over to FM Expressions and we're gonna choose one of their different programs. For this example, let's go with DTF full color. So here we have 20 DTF transfers and that equals out to $95 plus shipping. So 95 plus about 13 for shipping equals 108 plus the $75 for the shirts from Jiffy Shirts. Here you have to think about how many shirts you can press in 1 hour. I can press 20 shirts an hour easy. So let's say I want to make $100 an hour. All I have to do is add $100 to my product cost. So now I'm going to add $100. That equals out to $288 for the entire job. Now that doesn't only just work with DTF transfers. This pricing strategy can work with screen print transfers or whatever else you choose to print with.